Hello everybody, Dadas here and the Dadas Trading System Workshop. Today I'm going to show you my trade that I made overnight. Now, if anybody has any doubts that it's a day trading trade, well it is, because I opened this trade directly after the market opening. So what was the idea? This wasn't a strictly by the rules trade. In other words, if I wanted to use the data trading system checklist, right, I would have to be sitting and observing the market, while this trade was just taken simply by the simple rule of the risk to reward. In other words, when the market opened and I saw all of the I saw the conditions were favorable for this trade, I simply took the trade right off there, right, because of the system showing an upwards trend, and then I put my stop loss about 15 pips from 15 pips, where I put my take profit 30 at 30 pips right there, right? Yeah, 30.4 pips exactly it was. Right there was my take profit. Right there was my my initial stop loss was right there. Now, when I woke up in the morning and I came and I opened the computer, of course I saw this situation right here. In other words, the market was going back towards the my entry price. So what I simply did is I took my stop loss level and I dragged it over to a little bit of profit about right here, and I simply waited. Right, the moment I saw that the price was going up, in other words, it found support on this zone right here, I moved the stop loss over to this level, right? So to the support level, and you can see it right there, right? So yeah, to the support level, and then I held my breath until it took out the take profit, and that's it. What the market does next, I'm not interested, because I'm simply going to wait for the next opportunity in my day trading. If I don't get an opportunity now, perhaps in about 10 minutes to 30 minutes on the open on the new H4, then I'm gonna wait until the next one. Then of course there will be the moment of no trading, and I'll wait for the 1900 hours Polish time, so 2000 hours brokers time, H4, and see if I can make a trade maybe on the DAX 30 or the Dow Jones 30. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you're interested. Like, subscribe, and join me on my Patreon. See you.